With Mahesh, my last meeting was I had asked him to see his last topic, which he is scared of, right?
Yes, sir.
You remember that? You want to talk about it?
Yes, sir.
What was it?
It was like in IDT, appeals and revision topic is there.
IDT, which topic?
Appeals and revisions.
Appeals and revision.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, I never took that topic seriously, and even in each attempt, I've never done that properly. So I used to fear that topic. So yesterday I went and I saw that topic, but it was nothing there. I think like
You want to talk about why you were not listening and why I requested you to do that? Like you told me that I did chapter 1, then I did chapter 10, then I did 2 and 4. You want to talk about that so that it will help Ashani also?
yes, sir. I think
That's a part of your planning.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
What I told you that day, I think, and you suggested, that helped me because I only used to select those topics which I thought I knew or were easy, but that is not the case, I think.
So basically, I'll just sum up what we discussed last time was Mahesh told me that I pick up a chapter and I study topics that I'm familiar with which make me feel easy. I said this exam is not to make you feel easy. You have to pick up the toughest topic, something which is repulsive, you don't want to see that topic and finish it. I in fact told him that even if it takes 10 attempts for you to go through that topic, open it up, if it's repulsive, go out. Come back, stick to that. Still it's repulsive, go out, come back, sit. But do not sleep before you read through the chapter. Read through meaning, read through, even if you don't understand anything.
Yes, sir.
The only thing is that your fear that topic is scary will go out. Did you manage to do that?
Yes, sir. Now I don't have fear in that topic, sir. When I went through that topic, I found that was like normal, like other topics.
Very good. I'm very happy to hear that.
Yes, sir.
It's
Actually,
only a fear in the
Yeah, so what happens is we always study the same topics, and we always tend to miss out those topics which we fear. In each attempt that has happened with me. So now I have started the topic which I used to fear.
Yeah, so for you should not have any favorite topics or tough topics. Take it as your first attempt. You don't know anything. Yeah, start from scratch.
Right.
You know nothing right now.
Yes.
Till you clear. And hopefully when you clear, you know everything. I hope so. Yeah. So all I told Mahesh was that whatever the topic is, I don't know which subject, what topic. I told him out of the entire group 2, whichever is the toughest topic, please pick that up and open it up.
Now I know why.
Even if it,
Now I know why you kept telling me ki holding karo, because I am personally scared of holding because it's huge in terms of content.
No, that time I never thought of it. I just told you that you should do the entire course. Ultimately you'll become a chartered accountant. You should know how holding companies function. Tomorrow when you go to a client, you can't say I haven't done holding companies in my exam, but I passed. I only wanted to, structure his mind that whatever is there in your mind,
Right.
you have to be confident.
Yes.
And right, that helped me. Because I knew I was going to meet you today. When I was exercising yesterday, obviously you should always set your target high. When I was about to reach, I wanted to give up. Then I said, no, I cannot be talking to you and telling you to go beyond your limits when I can't do it myself. That helped me
Yes.
to achieve what I had to. It's only a fear in your mind.
Absolutely.
You have to overcome that. The same thing when you do the question paper in the exam. You will not have any fear.